Hi everyone! Welcome to Cheerful Journey channel. I'm Audrey and today I would like to share with you a haul video of this happy mail from Noted Journal PH. This is actually a premium box for December 2018 that Victoria, the owner of Noted Journal PH, curated by herself, wherein a certain number of slots will be filled out through a first-come first-served basis. I was actually one of those in the waiting list, and thankfully I was able to secure this box. So let me finish that introduction so we can proceed with this haul video. Let's open this box, and I am very excited. First is this. I think this is the planner. Just look at how pretty the color is. This I think is an old rose color. This is a ring size planner for B6. I think this is a B6 size planner which contains 2 pockets on the sides. It also has an adjustable pink elastic for its closure. So that is the first planner in this haul. So far so good. And I think this is the second planner. This is an A6 Traveler's Notebook planner with a soft lilac color and a black elastic for its enclosure. It also has 4 elastics to house my A6 inserts. I am actually excited to try a smaller size traveler's notebook just like this one because it is more compact. Now this is a notepad with a die-cut sticker on top, and I think this is a planner girl. And I think I need to bring this in the office so I could utilize it. We also have these die cuts, but I think I'll save it for later. Next in this box is this 5R photo album, which can be used as a sticker holder with a cover that states I am very busy. We also have these beautiful stickers from Noted Journal PH, and just look how cute it is. A planner girl with a bow. And then, what are these? Follow me. I think this has a watercolor theme. Good ideas, lifestyle, I am very busy, and so on and so forth. These, on the other hand, is an office girl inspired sticker with some books, with some shoes, and a camera with tripod. So this is very nice, and I like the color combination of this sticker. This is a bigger version of the previous sticker, and just like that, it also has a follow me sticker, I am very busy, and so on and so forth. Next are the inserts for the B6 ring binder that we had earlier. This is a sticker sheet, and just look how pretty are these inserts. An office girl inspired theme once again. And then at the left side you have that daily planner, or week in a glance rather. Let's try this. Let's try to put it inside our binder. And it fits perfectly like a glove. Personally, it is easier for me to have A5 inserts and A6 inserts because it is easier to cut from an A4 size paper. But I find it more challenging to use B6 inserts because it is quite difficult for me to cut. It includes extra effort on my side. So I'm grateful that Miss Victoria already included an insert for the B6 ring binder. Now this is a decorative paper, a 2-side decorative paper that can be used as dashboards. So this is another design. So there are 3 decorative dashboards in this set. And an extra paper. Now what is inside this envelope? Let us do check out. Let me just remove this washi tape first. Okay, so we were able to remove that one. Let us check the contents of this envelope, and there are a lot of things inside the envelope. First is this decorative paper binder from the Crafters Marketplace. It contains different decorative paper in, I think this is an A6 size, which you can use in journaling, in crafting, and so on and so forth. We also have these tags from the Paper Palace. So there are 3 tags in this set. And then we also have this notepad, also from the Paper Palace, with this botanical, this flora and fauna theme, which I can use in the office. Then we have this 3D paper clip from the brand Beneath the Juniper Tree. It seems like this is a very delicate paper clip, but it is very nice. Next is this another paper clip from the Dental Mermaid. This is also a decorative paper clip. We also have a stamp from Ruby Happy. There's also a voucher that we could use whenever we order a customized rubber stamp. So this is what the stamp looks like. It states noted. We also have this bow paper clip from the brand Plan, Write, Create. Then we have this unicorn clear stamps from Hexacrafts. We also have this washi tape from CNS Designs that states Design Your Life. Then we have these wax seals and some gift card from Put It On Paper. This set is from the brand called Orthology. It contains different stickers and a washi sampler, a Mongol pencil, and a sticker sheet. Next are these hexagon frames or floral frames by Imprints by Ivy Madrid. So these are, I think, gold foiled, and it has a very beautiful botanical spread. In addition to that, we have more stickers. I think this is from Chibi Jets, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, Chibi Jets planner stickers. So this is something that I like. This is a boarding pass sticker. How pretty is that? And we have these beautiful ladies with their beautiful dresses. Just look at that. And this is a deity, I think. This is a fairy. Just look how pretty are these stickers. And we have some fireworks. And more decorative stickers. The Heart Project PH also provides us with these stickers. We also have these holiday stickers. Let's open this up. How cute is this sticker? Yes, this is a holiday, definitely a holiday sticker. And those little stickers. We also have some die cuts from the shop Crafts Delight. This sticker sheet is from the shop Craft Delicious Loves. These sticker sheets of the beautiful ladies are from the shop Rainbow Papeterie. These Winter Fairies planner stickers are by Eclasion. We have more stickers from Doodle ni Maria. Great Joy Crafts sent this Wine Night sticker and this I Love Latte stickers. We also have this Curly Locks stickers by Planner Bear. Crafted by Jay provided this weather stickers and this cinema stickers. The Dainty Fox provided this Fifi samplers. And last but not the least are these die cuts from Nota Journal PH. So those are the contents of this box. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and please don't forget to join me again next time in my wonderful world of Cheerful Journey. Bye!